Hello, my name is Fahmi Dian Pratama. This time I will explain about the role of social media in handling the COVID-19 pandemic. Social media has a strategic role in responding to various exciting problems. In fact, social media can be a form of early education that directly target the wider community effectively and efficiently. The main discussion this time relates to the important role of mass communication in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. As a form of prevention and early education to the public, the first states that social media has a central role in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Second, the problems caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has become global problem, have the potential to trigger new social reconstruction. It is necessary to have close communication between stakeholders and the community in responding to this problem. Social media is a form of technological development in the world of information exchange, a channel for disseminating of information that can be accessed easily through the internet, which is almost available in all regions. Social media comes from two words, namely social and media. Social is related to society. Media moves in the plural form of the word medium, which means channel or mean. So that messages in a media that are connected to the internet network can be expressed as a message or information obtained through social media. Utilizing social media as a forum for mass communication with the wider community in terms of providing information related to COVID-19, especially with social media. Data on the spread of COVID-19 can be accessed in real time at that very second. As well, providing a COVID-19 spread radar that can be accessed via each person's smartphone. Social media is a simple channel in relation to mass communication because with social media, a forum that carries information to the wider community will convey it more quickly with a broad target level. Communication experts state that relate to social media is communication through mass communication, or both of them have an interrelated relationship. In its use, social media has an important meaning for information provided about COVID-19. Social media is an important forum that can be used in delivery message or information from source to the wider community by utilizing social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other. On the other hand, it also has a negative impact. When the information spread is false news, the spread of false news or today it is referred to as hoax news is one of the problems that has the potential to cause public unrest to social upheaval caused by the hoax information. As a statement made by a neurologist, Richard M. Restart, he calls this issue the Darwinism of the media. The mass media have contribution to creating sharp cracks in a person's emotional life. During the COVID-19 pandemic to the post-COVID-19 pandemic are two periods that will have similarities in terms of social contraction, how society can adapt to the situation during the pandemic. The periods after the COVID-19 pandemic will be much different from the time before the COVID-19 pandemic. Social order in community reconstruction will over time displaced by the impact of COVID-19. Thus, adjustment must be made by various levels of society. It is not only the social sector that is affected, but the economic, government, and other sectors are heavily affected by COVID-19. The role of social media is need as a solution in solving the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. With close communication, it is hoped that it can minimize the impact caused by the spread of COVID-19, which has become a global disaster and made history in human life. In fact, the consequence of this coronavirus aligns of human life and force humans to adjust to existence of this COVID-19. The existence of the COVID-19 pandemic has become one of the global disasters that threatens the current order of the human life. This disaster also have an impact on human life, so there is a need for solutive steps on how to find new patterns or social reconstruction. By the adapting to the coronavirus, it cannot be predicted when the disaster will end on this earth, which has become history in the early 21st century. The role of social media has a strategic position in dealing with various problems that arise in human life. Good use of social media opens up more opportunities to solve problems that arise. In fact, these problems are not just simple problems, but problems that arise and involve many people like the COVID-19 pandemic. For this reason, communication and utilization of the mass media are needed to provide continuous education to the wider community. This note is still limited to discussing the issues of the role of social media in responding to COVID-19 pandemic. By discussing mass media and social construction that have the potential to experience change due to the impact of global problems caused by COVID-19. In order to develop knowledge, it can be studied in more detail the role of social media in responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. It can be studied in terms of education, communication, social order, and other topics related to the impact of COVID-19. Thank you.